you go to settings, general, you can select the amount the way you want to be paid, leave it in US dollars. You can just type Davido, Wizkid. This thing will help people who are searching for Wizkid and Davido to see your video. Online revenue, latest Nollywood movies. It would help your videos the day suggested. You now put Mr. Macaroni.
In case you don't know, making videos on YouTube is one of the greatest ways to earn money in the 21st century. Some people earn as much as $10,000 per month on YouTube and even more.
Graham Stephan making $100,000 to $200,000 a month from YouTube.
It is just a passive income, just that you have to make the videos first and upload them there, and they keep any revenue as long as YouTube keeps staying here. Yes, it's me, WATERFRED. Today I'm going to be showing you how you are going to open a YouTube channel and how you are going to do the settings that is going to help you earn the most amount of money, and the settings that is going to help you get the most amount of views, because the amount of money you earn on YouTube is not equal or synonymous with the amount of views you have. Some videos with lesser views make more money than some videos with higher views. So I'm going to analyze these things and show you how you're going to create a YouTube channel from the scratch from your Gmail. And before you start, I recommend that you create a Gmail account and you turn on two-factor verification on your Gmail account, because losing your Gmail account means losing access to your YouTube channel. For you to know how to turn on your two-factor verification on your Gmail, or how to do that safely and make sure hackers don't attack you, I'm going to leave a video at the end of this video about turning on two-factor verification in your Gmail. So stay till the end so that you see the video and then watch and see how you can create a YouTube channel right from the scratch and make the settings that you're going to need in order to get monetized. And also note that for you to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. You don't have to be scared. Any of your videos can just go viral for no reason.
When you are here, almost see me here. Here. Jesus Lord. Okay, yeah. When you're here, I'm trying to create a new channel from the beginning. Create channel. Get started. Use your name, Virginia Fred. No. Use a custom name. I prefer to use a custom name. Create. How to add it? Okay, this is it. Immediately you can upload the profile picture here. Samar Handanovic. Test again here. Tell the reviewer about your channel and make videos. Well, your channel will have to be long, not your description have to be long. Don't just make it like this. Your website, Facebook, this, save and continue. Later you can set up all these ones. So it will show that picture here. It may not be right immediately. Okay, it's even showing immediately. Have you seen it? Yeah. So customize channel, you can click on customize channel. Also click on customize channel. Channel trailer. This one is when you add the video, but you have to first upload the video here before you now put channel trailer. That's in that once anybody that comes to your video to your channel will see it. That video first. Feature content for 10 subscribers, then see your YouTube your uploads. Then if you come to branding, you see channel banner. Let me tell you what a channel banner is. Let's go to YouTube and let me show you what a channel banner is. For example, let's go to my channel, WATERFRED1. Fred1. If you open it and you click here, this thing now, this video now is my channel trailer. Yes. And then if you look at this image here that has flower, that is the channel banner.
You think say you get power, you think say you get power, make you try Jesus. You say you go bow. You think say you get bands, you think say you get money, make you try Jesus. You say you go bow. Jesus now my only duty. Oh,
Jesus now my party.
This is the banner image. You can select it and upload it. Let's look for one. There is specific size that they used to put it, but you can just select any of your pictures and just put there, just for putting sake. Maybe say them say. You can see. Select this the place you want it and just put it. And then watermark. You may have forgot about watermark for now. And then you can click on publish. Then click on basic info. You can add link to your Facebook. Let's say Facebook. And then you put your Facebook URL here if you want. Yeah, that kind of thing. Contact info. Don't put anything in this contact info and email, because those are if your channel don't make sense, they will begin try hack that email. If you go to settings, general, you can select the amount where you want to be paid. Leave it in US dollars. Your channel, select country of residence. Keywords. This place is very important for people to find you. This is the place you type the thing you will be doing. You can just type the video, comma, Wizkid. This thing will help people who are searching for Wizkid and Davido to see your video. Online revenue, latest Nollywood movies. It could help your videos the day suggested. You now put Mr. Macaroni, Tiwa Salvage, comedy videos, Brother Shaggy. All this stuff, depending on what you want to create. PayPal, buy dollar, sell dollar, Buhari. They search Buhari all the time. CNN, you know, all this kind of stuff, and then you save it. It will help people to help your videos to be popping up whenever it is needed. You still go to settings again, upload default. In your upload default, you can put title or tell people what you. If you want all any video you upload to carry, follow me on Instagram. You just type the things you want. That's how it is by the default. Anything you upload, we carry that in, but you can still change it when you upload individual videos. Then advanced, it's good to select category. Put your category as entertainment for a start. Yes, so you can get views. Entertainment, this is where I started. A place that is making more money is what people and vlogs, how to and style, and education. Those ones make the greatest amount of money. But you can start with entertainment so you can have more views. Then leave it in standard YouTube license. And then you come to permissions. Don't touch any much thing here, just leave it like that. Community, nothing much. Hold potential, allow all comments here. Hold potential inappropriate chats, message for review, live chats. Just leave these ones like this. Agreement, there's nothing here, just save. And then let's go to layout, branding. This is fine. And then if you go to dashboard now, 0 subscribers, you see if you upload video, you now click on upload video, then you can upload your videos, add channel trailer and all those things. If you come here now and click now, go to your channel, you will see this is the channel trailer for that. This is my name, Vivian Entertainment. You see it. You can easily find it. This channel doesn't have any content, and if you check it, I just created it, joined it April 2021. I make videos, location Nigeria. Basically that's it, bro. Then you start uploading and doing other things that are involved.
Okay guys, if you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. You click here dislike now. If you make the mistake, click this time. Then click dislike on my video. You got bob on your bramusu. You made a video. On your you click here dislike. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S. I also know that I make videos about making money online, how you can arbitrage dollar, pound, euro, and my course is still working well. The cards that work online for arbitrage is still working well and still working up till this day. So if you want to know how I make money online, how I make revenue online apart from YouTube revenue, you can message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S and let's discuss. Also know that my course is not a free course, my course is a paid course. Nothing good is free, okay, except the air that God gave us and other things that comes from the Lord. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.
First thing you do is to activate two-factor verification on your Gmail, and how you do that is click here, manage your Google account. So once you are here, you click on security. You see two-step verification. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your password. Then you enter your password. So now once you come here, you will see two-step verification turned on. Your own will not be on. My own is on. That's why it's showing this turn off. Now you will now see Google Prompt, Google Authenticator. You see backup codes. You see SMS. Just follow all these steps. Just follow turn on like 3. For example, now you turn on Google Prompt. From there you can turn on Authenticator app or backup codes.
I also recommend that you do not click on unsolicited links that people send to you and they say click on this link, this, that. I recommend that you do not click on such links except if you are sure of the source, and again to make sure that once you click on a link and you see the security key, then that means that site is safe. Whenever you click on a website and you don't see the HTTPS that has the HTTPS and the key icon, please leave such websites immediately because it is not safe.